U.S. drone attack kills ISKP planner in Afghanistan. The United States has announced that it carried out a drone attack in eastern Afghanistan against a planner of an ISIL-affiliated group, a day after an attack outside Kabul's airport that killed at least 175 people and 13 U.S. troops. The unmanned airstrike occurred in the Nangarhar Province of Afghanistan. Initial indications are that we killed the target, Captain Billerben of the U.S. Central Command said in a statement. We know of no civilian casualties, he added in a statement announcing the first reported U.S. raid since the attack. According to Reuters report, a Reaper drone took off from an unnamed base in the Middle East and hit the target while he was in a car with another associate. Both are believed to have been killed, the official, who asked not to be named, was quoted as saying. The news comes as the U.S. forces, helping to evacuate Afghans desperate to flee Taliban rule, issued an alert on Saturday of possible attacks at Kabul airport. The U.S. Embassy in Kabul also warned Americans who remain in Afghanistan to leave Hamid Karzai International Airport gates immediately, citing security threats. Earlier, Pentagon spokesman John Kirby said on Friday that the U.S. believed there are still specific credible threats against the airport. Meanwhile, Al Jazeera's Charles Stratford, reporting from Kabul, said evacuations have resumed. We have seen a number of planes take off. The number of people around the airport has grown dramatically since yesterday, he said.